A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my dear students. How are you? Fine. And have you gone with the reading of chapter 3, that is Tinku learnt a lesson. Was he able to learn a lesson? Let's see now. And in last part what we did? Yes, what is respect? We learned about what is respect. Respect is one of the greatest expression of love. So we should always respect our elders. Okay. And now today's part is 2 and we will be doing the reading of chapter 3. Tinku learns a lesson, and also we'll go with the explanation also. So are my dear students set? Okay, let's start now. Okay. In last part we have learned children who respect others are praised by all. If we respect others, others will also respect us. And it's a story of a Tinku who did not listen to anybody. Now we will move further and let's find out, was the Tinku able to learn a lesson? He did not water the plants in the garden. You have to underline it. Okay? Yes. We'll choose the color. It's blue color, or let's go with green. Okay? Yes. The next day, he did not water the plants in the garden. He did not share his food with others. Water, plants, garden, share, food, others. So these are the some of the new words that you should underline. Okay. So he did not have the habit to share the food with his friends or his family members also, and also he did not water the plants if someone asked. Okay. But everyone loved Tinku. But then also everybody loved Tinku. They said, oh, he will slowly learn to respect us. But everyone loved Tinku. They said, oh, he will slowly learn to respect us. In spite of his qualities, bad qualities, but all the elders, all his friends, all his family members, they used to say that slowly and gradually he will learn how to respect. As Tinku grew older, he became even more disrespectful. Underline this one. Okay. As Tinku grew older, he became even more disrespectful. He played with household things. Underline this one also. He took pleasure in breaking them. So he used to break the household things. He was rude to his elders. He was very rude to his elders. मतलब कि मीठा नहीं बोलता था. He did not spoke politely and he was even rude to his elders. Okay. He even hit the little puppy on his way to school. He used to hit a little puppy when he used to go to school. At school, his behavior was unfriendly. At school also, his behavior was not friendly. That means unfriendly. At school, his behavior was also unfriendly with his classmates. Okay, as Tinku grew older, he became more disrespectful. Even he became rude to his elders. His behavior was also not friendly with his classmates, and even he took pleasure in breaking the household things. He did not cooperate with them. He did not cooperate with them. Now you will say, what's the meaning of cooperate, ma'am? यानी कि cooperate करना, adjust करना. Be adjustive. Whatever your friend says, if you find this is the correct thing, so at that time you should be adjustive. Okay, you should try to cooperate your classmates. Okay. Yes, he did not cooperate with them while studying and playing. While studying and playing, he did not cooperate with his classmates. He always tried to break the rules of the games. Many times while playing, he also tried to break the rules of the games. Underline this thing. Okay. He made fun of the students who were weak in games. Weak. And also he tried to make the fun of those who were very weak in games. Now let's read out this paragraph once again. Yes. After that we will be having the assessment time, and also we will learn a small poem also. Okay. Okay, let's read out this paragraph once again. Tinku grew older. He became even more disrespectful. He played with household things. He took pleasure in breaking them. He was rude to his elders. He even hit the little puppy on his way to school. At school, his behavior was unfriendly with his classmates. He did not cooperate with them while studying and playing. So he did not cooperate. He always tried to break the rules of the games. He made fun of the students who were weak in games. Okay. So it was all from chapter 3. Tinku learnt a lesson. In next class we will be going further, and today we are pausing our class over here only, and you will be writing all the new words. So keep smiling and have a nice day. Bye bye students. God bless you.